Hey friends, welcome back to the another video. Today we are going to talk about 6 books that every student should read. I really wish that अगर ये books मैंने अपने college time में पढ़ी होती तो I would have done much better in my life today. But you guys have time, you guys can work on it. If you are in the school, if you are in the college, this is the right time for you to pick up all these 6 books and start working with your career. And I'm damn sure that all these books will help you to get better in life, to excel in life, whether it is your career, whether it is your family life, whether it is your relationship, or whether it is your building your online brand. These books will definitely help you to get better. The first book I want to talk about, which is an old classic book, which is The Power of Habits. So there are 2 books I am combined in this video, but let's talk first about The Power of Habit. Why Power of Habit is important? Because in the school time we have a lot of free time. Like in that 4 year you can do a lot of things if you can do things rightly. But the problem is we don't know how to do the things rightly. That's why the power of habit will definitely help you. Here you can, the power of habit specifically for you if you want to create great habits, if you want to start writing, if you want to start coding, if you want to start designing, or if you want to work with the computers, or if whatever you want to do, that requires habits. And habit ultimately compound, and when that habits get compounded you get better result in your life. That's the reason that power of habit that will help you to understand how you can create your life, how you can deal with your mental, emotional and physical health. Whether it is your physical health, you want to go to the gym, you want to build your body, you want to be fit, whether it is your emotional level, because in that college level we deal with lot of emotion, whether it is love, whether it is hate, whether it is jealousy, whether it is family pressure, we deal with lot of emotions, and all those emotions you can track, you can work on it only if you can build a habit through it. So that's the reason the power of habit will definitely help you to excel in life, and that will help you to develop your good habits that will help you in your future. The next book I want to recommend is nothing but The Startup of You. This book is incredibly great. If you have not read it, I will highly suggest you. This is not a very popular book, but this book will help you definitely to understand your career. This book is basically combination of why you should treat your life as a startup, why you should think your career as a startup, and why you should, on this ultra competitive world, why you should think your life is a startup, and think about in that zone that okay, you are working on the startup, how you can increase your odds of success, what are the odds of success and how you can increase those odds of success. So there are 3 takeaways I'm going to talk about in this book. The first lesson from this book I want to talk about is competitive advantage. If you can have competitive advantage, that sort of unfair advantage, what are the things that you are really good at and that you should focus on. Second lesson from this book is when you have a free time, start making different plans, like plan A, plan B, up to the plan Z. Like you have to be work on up to all these plans. You have to think what are the possibilities, what are the odds of success, and you have to make at least 26 plans. Obviously not 26 plans, but hope I'm using just as a metaphor, but you have to work on different plans in different direction and pick up the right one. Even if that fails, you should have other plans ready as a backup plan, or you should have other plans that you can work on. And the third lesson from this book is taking intelligent risks. Like you should understand your risk appetite, and you should able to test more and more risk in your life. And I know risk taking is a risky part, but start with the small risks, like whether you have to put your small money, whether it is a career risk, whether it is doing something extraordinary. Start with the small risks and eventually start increasing your risk appetite. The next book I want to suggest is nothing but The Last Lecture. This book is another great book because this book is more about what will you do if you realize that you have only few months left. What will you do, focus on, what are the things you will do. So this book is all about that, and it's about the Professor Randy कि जिससे पता चलता है कि उसे कैंसर हो चुका है, and then he talk about his last lecture, what things he will do. It's all about pursuing your childhood dream. He don't talk about like you should be the astronaut, you should join the circus, you should do all of those things, but ultimate aim of this book is to guide you. The ultimate aim of this book is to understand you that you should focus on your dreams. You should focus on what really makes you happy. You should work on the things that really help you to give you satisfaction. You should work on all of those things. This book is really short, but this book will help you to understand what things you should focus on, what are the things you should work on. And the last lecture, it's all about that. This book is all about pursuing your childhood dream. The fourth book I want to talk about is Thinking Fast and Slow. I know this is a kind of a bit psychological book. This is a kind of books that talk a lot about brain, but I believe this book is really important in your student life, because see, we have two kinds of brain. Like first one is fast brain, second one is slow brains. So I will not talk about the fast and slow brain, but I will talk about one is conscious brain and one is automatic brain. What if I tell you what is 2 plus 2? You will like, without even thinking, you will answer 4, right? So it's a kind of a faster brain. You already know all those things and you can understand, you can take the faster decision. But what the problem is, your brain is very lazy. It don't think in the logical ways, and you should understand why you should think the logical. So whenever you are making a decision, your brain try to think about the lazy things. Okay, what are the minimum ways I can do this stuff? What are the easy way I can do this stuff? How I can automate this stuff, or how your brain will start taking the automatic decision. And you should understand that whatever you are working on, is it really necessary to understand, or is it really necessary to take the faster decision, or you have to think on it, you have to think logically, and then only you should think about that decision. So this book will definitely help you to understand whatever the decision you are making, whether you are thinking fast or whether you are thinking slow. So if you can understand, or if you can separate these two terms, how to take fast decisions and where to take slow decisions, if you can rationalize your decision, if you can think logically with each and every steps you take in your life, then only you can excel great in life. So that's the reason I'm suggesting you to read this book, Thinking Fast and Slow. The next book I want to talk about is nothing but The Pajama Profit by Varun Maya and Abhinav Chikara. This is incredibly great book if you really want to start with your freelancing career. These books help you to understand all of the basic points that you should know or you should work on to start with your freelancing journey. This is a very basic books. It's like groundbreaking rules. You will understand a lot of things in much better way how you can start your freelancing career. I read this book in third year of my college days, and at that time I realized that why this book is important and how you can start your freelancing career in the college days. Like literally this is a step-by-step guide to start your freelancing career. If you are into the college, if you are into that zone where you have a lot of free time and you want to make some extra bucks, you want to make money, then you should definitely go and read this book to understand how you can use your time to make money in the college days and you can fulfill your college life. Like literally you can make from 10,000 to 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees per month if you are really get into this freelancing zone and start making money, because ultimately that will help you to understand what is a freelancing, how the jobs actually work, because internships help you to understand how the jobs work or what is the corporate culture, and ultimately you can go to the business part of it. So like the job is the extreme part and the business is extreme part, but freelancing is midway between. Like freelancing is midway where either after that you can think whether you want to go for the job or whether you want to start with the business. Like I mostly started with the freelancing. Now I know what are the terms I know or what things I should work when I want to start a business. So that's the reason this book is really great. And the last book I want to talk about is nothing but The Atomic Habit. Actually I want to talk about the compound effect, like the compound effect and atomic habit, both books combined, but I will mostly talk about the Atomic Habit because this book is really great. It will help you to understand why habits are important. Just the way I said the power of habit, the Atomic Habit is based on the same thing, that why habits are important, why you should build the system rather than going blindly. You should start working on your different kind of the system, like what is your freelancing system, what is your college routine, and how you can build a system for that. You should understand. I will highly suggest to recreate that system for your college life, and then only you will get ahead, like much ahead in your life. I wish अगर ये सारी चीज़ें मुझे किसी ने पहले बताई होती तो I would really have done much better in the life. But still, if you really want to enjoy, create, then I will highly suggest you to read 5 to 6 books that will help you to excel in your life. And if you want more tips on the freelancing, if you want more book recommendation, make sure you join the newsletter. There is a link in the description, or check out the pinned comment and just to put up your email ID and join the newsletter. Every week I will give you a lot of information, whatever I learn, whatever I suggest, whatever the books I read, I will go directly into your mail box. So make sure you subscribe to this newsletter. And if you want to understand more about the atomic habit, and if you really want to understand the habits, then check out this video where I shared the 10 tips from the atomic habits. And if you are into the college life, you want to make more money, then check out this video where I shared how you can start your freelancing career and make money. So that's all for today's video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye, tata, take care.